मनस्तंभं स्तंभं गमयदुपकम्पं प्रणमतां सदालोलन्नीलञ्चिकुरजितलोलम्बनिकरं गिरान्दूरं स्मेरन् धृतशशिकिशोरं पशुपतेः दृशां भोग्यं योग्यं तुहिनगिरिभाग्यं विजयते. Manaha visarga changes to su there. Stambham bhamaha pranaha. Manastambham because of sandhi. Stambham bhamaha pranaha. Gamayat stambham gamayat because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nga there. The th in the end changes to d because of sandhi. Upakampam gamayad upakampam pranamatam sadalolam. It's a compound word. Neelam sadalolan neelam because of sandhi. Chikurajita lolamba nikaram is a compound word. Neelan chikurajita lolamba nikaram because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to new there. Manastambham stambham gamayadupakampam pranamatam sadalolan neelan chikurajita lolamba nikaram. Giram Duram Giranduram because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nu there. Smeram Dhrita Shashi Kishoram is a compound word. Dhas Mahapranaha. Smeran Dhrita Shashi Kishoram because of sandhi. Pashupatehe is a compound word. Drisham Bhogyam Bhamahapranaha. Yogyam Bhogyam Yogyam because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to the nasal of ya. Tuhinagiri bhagyam is a compound word. Bhamaha pranaha. Yogyam tuhinagiri bhagyam because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nu there. Vijayate tuhinagiri bhagyam vijayate because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to the nasal of va. Giranduram smeran dhrita shashi kishoram pashupatehe Drisham bhogyam yogyam tuhinagiri bhagyam vijayate. Manastambham stambham gamayadupakampam pranamatam sadalolan neelan chikurajitalolam banikaram giranduram smeran dhrita shashikishoram pashupatehe Drisham bhogyam yogyam tuhinagiri bhagyam vijayate. Ghanashyaman kamantaka kamakshi madhuran drisham patanetan amritajalashitan anupaman bhavotpate bhite maivitara nathe dridhabhavan manashoke Muke Himagiri Patake Karunaya. Ghanashyaman is a compound word. Ghamaha pranaha. Kamantaka Mahishi is a compound word. The E in the end is short. Kamakshi E is short. Madhuran Dhamaha pranaha. Drisham Patan Etan Patanetan Amrita Jala Shitan is a compound word. Patanetan amritajala shitan anupaman. Patanetan amritajala shitan anupaman. Ghanashyaman kamantaka mahishi kamakshi madhuran drisham patanetan amritajala shitan anupaman. Bhavotpate is a compound word. Bhamaha pranaha. Bhite Dhamaha pranaha. Mai vitara nathe Dhamaha pranaha. Dridhabhavan manashoke is a compound word. Dridha dhas mahapranaha. Bhavan bhamaha pranaha. Dridhabhavan manashoke. Muke himagiri patake is a compound word. Karunaya. Bhavotpate Bhite Mayi Vitaranathe Dridhabhavan Manashoke Muke Himagiri Patake Karunaya. Ghanashyaman Kamantaka Mahishi Kamakshi Madhuran दृशां पातानेतानमृतजलशीताननुपमान् भवोत्पाते भीते मयि वितरनाथे दृढभवन्मनःशोके मूके हिमगिरिपताके करुणया